with Coolishtypegurl because I'm in the middle of a few musical projects that I want them to be good before I put them up. And okay, these are my friends.
She has them, surprisingly enough.
This is Liz, and this is Julia. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. So today we're going to be making peanut butter cookies. Liz will be our mobile cameraman, and Julia is for the scenery. Let's get started. Here is our mobile cameraman using our lovely DSLR. Yeah, there we go, camera woman.
Alright, cooking time!
Alright, first we have to tell you what ingredients we need. Butter, peanut butter,
Please look at the camera when you're announcing it.
Peanut butter!
Okay, brown sugar. Okay. Amelia, do you have eggs? How many eggs? One egg. I have many eggs. Plain flour.
And wholemeal because that's the only flour I have. So deal.
Baking powder and peanuts.
We're replacing those with chocolate chips. Okay.
Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. That has already been done because my dad is cooking food I cannot eat.
And then we line a baking tray, which for some weird reason I don't have.
So we're going to use one of those.
It looks so weird. Use one of these dishes and just line it. And you know what? Amelia is a creative cooker, so it doesn't matter. It'll still come out delicious. Look, I got a manicure.
Okay, so what we need to do next is beat the butter, peanut butter. Yeah, you beat that butter into a mixing bowl until it's creamy.
Cut it up into something smaller than giant chunks because otherwise it will be impossible to beat. That is exactly right. I know. Congratulations. Sometimes I can do math. It's pretty good. That's not even math. Congratulations. That is peanut butter, people of the world. Do you know one time I beat her in an arm wrestling contest? True story. Yeah, because she got freakishly strong arms like a man. We're making a cooking video. Don't turn that on while I'm standing here. Please. I don't want my face to be whipped. Beat that with a low setting until it's creamy. You know, peanut butter is kind of like butter, made with peanuts. Holy shit. What happened to your brown sugar, mate? This is firmly packed all right.
What you've missed on whatever.
Cooking with Coolishtypegurl and friends. What we did is we managed to cake some sugar out of the thingy and we used about a cup of brown sugar. Okay, so what you do is add flour and baking powder. Flour! 6. And then one of these. You need 1 3/4 cups of. It's wholemeal, so we'll lose a bit of it anyway.
So long as you don't take it back in.
As you can see, we're very gifted cooks, obviously. Shit, Julia. It's coordination. Wait, how many have I put in? I'm gonna go die now. Hold on.
We've had a minor mishap, but we have no idea how much flour we've used. We'll be back. Okay, genius detectives have figured out that we used 3 after watching the video like 4 times. Okay.
Do. Just mix it with a fork.
Yeah.
Actually, Summer Rain was when he started writing songs like for reals. Yeah. It was serious business. Serious business. Serious business. Serious business. Serious business. Julia makes a mess wherever she goes. She goes. Wherever she goes. Is there another job that I could potentially do, or?
No.
I'll do it. Wait, the egg. Oh, we haven't added the egg yet.
Amelia, do you have eggs? How many
Very
eggs?
sensual. It's 1.
I have many eggs. Oh!
See, Amelia should probably learn to read recipes. Amelia should probably learn to read, actually. Yeah.
Here, put it here. Here, Liz, why don't you come over here and be in it for a minute? You can help me roll the thing. Okay, you can put the battery back on the camera now. Can you open the oven for me? Now, kiddos, we bake it 15 minutes. So,
Baking.
this is our dance break, actually. It's meant to be our dance break. Come around here, we'll put on some music and dance. I don't want. Let's dance for us.
Oh wow. Oh yeah, look at that.
We listened to it twice, cause the DJ was asleep.
Can I dip my cookie in your milk?